May I have your attention, everyone? With great joy, today we are here to celebrate the christening of Annie. It is a special occasion that marks a spiritual milestone and the beginning of a new faith. To the proud parents and families and all here present, your love and dedication are the greatest gift that you can give. May you be blessed with patience, wisdom, love, and joy as you nurture and guide Annie. And to you, Annie, may your life be filled with blessings, and may you grow in faith and love, surrounded by warmth and support of everybody here today. Let us raise our glasses in celebration of love, hope, and prayer for this precious child, for her bright and blessed future. Cheers, everyone. Cheers. Kampai.